The VOSOTROS command is a command when one person wants to tell another group of people what to do. And we remember that the VOSOTROS, if we look at our box of 6, is this form right here. And we primarily use this in Spain. So to make commands, we're going to go ahead and start with our negative commands. And the reason is they're pretty easy to form. We just think about the present subjunctive, and we conjugate or we change our verb into this form. So if we're working with the verb comer, and this one person wanted to say to a group of people, don't eat, we would say no, and we would put our verb into the present subjunctive of comer. Alright, what if we wanted to say don't eat it? And that it right here is another gusano. There was a worm on the road and someone was trying to eat it and the other person was telling them not to. Well, we have our command, which is comais. We have to put this low somewhere. So where do we put the low? Well, we remember when we have a yes command or a positive command, yes attach. Well, do we have a positive command? No. We have a no command or a negative command, so no attach. So we're going to put that low preceding the conjugated verb, or right here. So there are the first two. Let's look at one more, levantarse. And levantarse is a reflexive verb, and we know it's reflexive because the end down here is the se. And this se can change in the following ways. And we need to use the VOSOTROS form. So let's start by simply changing our verb to the correct form. And then we need to put in our os. And where are we going to put it? Well, yes command, yes attach, no command, don't attach. And so we are going to place it out front. All right. So that's how we deal with our negative commands. Let's look at our positive or our affirmative VOSOTROS commands. And the rule for this is we will take our infinitive, we will drop the R, and then we will add a D. Alright, so we have our infinitive comer. Let's drop our R and add a D. There you go. We're done. Alright, let's try the next one. Well, we know we need our command. Alright, now we have to deal with this low. And we remember, yes command, yes attach, no command, don't attach. So we're going to attach that low to the end of the command. Alright, so far so good. The final one we want to look at is levantarse. And when we're working with reflexive verbs in the VOSOTROS form and we have to add the os, this is going to cause just a little bit of a change. We are not going to add the D. So we will start with levantar. We start with our infinitive. We drop our R, and in this situation we are not going to add the D, and we add os. That's all there is to it. Yes command, yes attach. Now we do have one exception to this rule, and that exception is when we are working with the verb irse. We leave the D in there, so we drop our R, so we would get ID, and then to deal with the reflexive portion, we would put on our os. So that is the one exception that we have. Alright, the VOSOTROS commands. For our negative commands, you're going to put them into the VOSOTROS form of the present subjunctive. For our positive commands up here, take your infinitive, drop the R, add a D. There you go. Yes command, yes attach, no command, don't attach. Go out, try a few on your own, and let me know how it goes. Suerte.